Welcome to Kolonou 29, a prime investment opportunity nestled in the heart of Metaxourgeio, Athens, Greece. We invite you to explore an exceptional venture that promises not only luxury and convenience but also a promising return on investment. Step into a world where opulence meets financial potential. Our meticulously designed, fully furnished apartments offer an enticing blend of comfort and style, making them ideal for the burgeoning market of serviced apartments and short-term leasing. Beyond our luxurious apartments, Metaxourgeio represents a burgeoning hotspot for investors. Consider the strategic location. The iconic Acropolis is just a short 15-minute walk away, attracting tourists year-round, ensuring high occupancy rates. Gatsi Technopolis, a quick 7-minute walk, provides a cultural and entertainment hub, contributing to the area's growing popularity among tourists. The nearby National Archaeological Museum draws history enthusiasts, further enhancing your investment prospects with steady rental income. The historic Kolonou Cemetery, only 8 minutes away, adds an authentic touch, appealing to travelers seeking cultural experiences. At Kolonou 29, you're not just investing in property, you're investing in a thriving destination. These fully equipped, small yet luxurious apartments are strategically poised for lucrative returns in Athens' booming short-term rental market. Are you ready to seize this remarkable investment opportunity at Kolonou 29? Contact us today to secure your stake in this meticulously crafted, fully furnished property. Discover the perfect blend of luxury, location, and profitability, all in one investment. Kolonou 29. Your gateway to exceptional returns in Athens begins here.